Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just going to get to it, and if there's anything that I'm going to say that you have no idea what I'm talking about, please contact me and I will explain it further. So these all took me either 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes to complete and capture, and it's essentially, and it's not a drawing, it's so that I can get the fundamentals of art down and almost really kind of like almost mastered it. So it's obviously the fundamentals of art are sketching, getting the proportions, layout, ratios, everything like that down to a T, so that you can basically go ahead and create your piece of artwork. I'm really sorry for background noise, there's wee ones in the background. So yes, I have utilised observational methods along with good speed. These methods are allowing me to create more effective, efficient and proportional sketches, so that I can then go ahead and get to the next step and the next layer of artwork. So my next step will be painting and drawing and shading, getting the tones right and the shades right for that. But right now I'm still perfecting proportions and the fundamentals. So I utilise at the moment good speed along with observational, gestural and Loomis. However, these ones today have been purely observational. I just wanted to see if I could capture them with only one method instead of a combination. Again, sorry for the background noise in obviously the background, there's wee ones running around. So let me know what you think, what you would do differently, if there's anything that you liked, if there's anything that you'd like me to explain more. Yeah, so let me know, and also thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are awesome.